In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Gmail Help Center. So I'm here on my computer with Gmail open in my browser, and I'm currently looking at my inbox. The first thing I'm going to do is move my mouse up to the top right corner of the screen. Up here, alongside the settings icon, I see a question mark icon. This is the help option for Gmail. I go ahead and click on that question mark icon, and as soon as I do, a small menu appears. From this menu, I click on Help. Now a help panel opens on the right side of the screen. This panel gives me access to Gmail's built-in support and guides without leaving the page. At the top of this panel I see a search bar. This is where I can type any issue or question I have about Gmail. So I click into the search bar and start typing the topic I need help with. As I type, Gmail shows suggested help topics and articles related to what I entered. This makes it easier to quickly find the right guide. Now I simply click on one of the articles from the list. When I click it, the help article opens inside the panel, showing step-by-step instructions and explanations. I can scroll through the article to read more details, follow the instructions, or look for additional tips related to the issue. If I need help with something else, I can go back to the search bar and type a new topic at any time. This feature is really useful because it gives quick access to official Gmail help without needing to open a separate website. If I ever need more detailed support, I can continue exploring the help panel or follow links provided in the articles. And that's it. I open Gmail, click the question mark icon, selected help, used the search bar to find a topic, and opened an article to read instructions. That's how you access the Gmail Help Center directly from your inbox.